because this business matter we will get for here now cryptocurrency, Bitcoin. They say Bitcoin market lose nothing less than $400 billion, and on top say the Bitcoin market lose nothing less than $400 billion. We won't sit down talk about these things as investors. Some of them they liquidated. I know. Say you don't hear about these slangs. Buy the deep. Buy the deep, buy the deep. Owotiku waso. What we see as this thing they happen for inside the world of cryptocurrency? And they come out, they tell you, say, not just enter cryptocurrency without informed knowledge. You guys know waiting they happen. But then we get one ogbonge guest for here, where we say, stand back, gidigba. You understand everything really happen for the world of cryptocurrency. Now the ex-president of Cyban, now one of all these associations really in charge of blockchain. Now he be the ex-president, and also he be one of the partners for inside this country on top OK Exchange. OK Exchange, now exchange where if you buy some kind of things, and in there for here, sit down, stand back, gidigba, on top of the matter of cryptocurrency. As we want to talk about the crypto market crash, the name now Mr. Paul Ezeafuligwe. Hey. I know she was I get that name correctly.
My name now Paul Ezeafuligwe. Okay,
Ezeafuligwe.
Yes.
Fantastic. Good to have you here, sir. Good to have you. Sir.
Thank you, my brother. Thank you.
So, how you see the market, the crypto market crash? We happened last week. A lot of people talk say, their money, their accounts they liquidated. Some people enter the market without informed knowledge. They don't invest. Their money don't go. They don't cool so as they always talk for inside street. What did happen? What really
what happen be say we don't want people to say before you trade, before you do anything concerning cryptocurrency, make you try sabi waiting the market be. Before you even put your ₦1 for there. If you like person we won't go sell tomatoes, you don't say tomatoes they spoil. You don't say tomatoes na 3 days. If you did 3 days, it don't spoil. It just begin go journey. And when you now reach there, motor can spoil for road. You can't begin cry say he lose money. So now the same thing. Before you do any business, especially business where be say, now inside financial market today, inside money, say they give you money, you sell money, money go here, go there. Make you try sabi the business. If you know sabi your money there for what they call vanishing. And market will crash. No be say market crash. Now very simple matter. Every market getting cycle. Every market getting face.
Very true.
You understand?
Yeah.
So people will know sabi. If you notice, as Bitcoin they go up for December, January, February, plenty people will know sabi anything about Bitcoin. They don't know fundamental. They don't know technical. Technical be say waiting they push market. Waiting if you go see for grab because market na psychology, market na emotion. You understand? Very especially true. Money market. Yeah. Na emotion. Now, as people, if you shock people, they go put money. If you not shock them, they will hold their money back. You understand? So, wait here, we say many of these guys, they call them newbies. They don't understand what they happen. They just carry money, get by enter market. And by the time when they enter market, then they pump waiting they not supposed pump. You go see meme coin will be saying a dog name, na joke self, then they take a joke. Coin go 1,000%, 10,000%. Before you know waiting, the get waiting market they do, market they correct himself. For example, even though a shoe market we enter, and before maybe okay, make I use what happened to me for Easter. As we go, as I did Abuja for Easter, because people plenty for airport. Before you know what they happen, ticket we will buy for 38,000 become 75,000.
Wow.
So, and people they pay. Why? Because people want rush go house for Easter.
Very true.
Now the sentiment of the market be that. Now when that one pass finish, if I come airport, you tell me 75, I go leave you go another airline.
Very true.
Why? Because correction don't they? Do you understand? Market don't correct himself. So now wait happen. No be say market crash.
Okay.
Now say market correct himself. Market was overbought, overhyped. Everything go up. Then 2 news or 3 news come. News where we say, what thing they call them? China,
yeah.
Say they ban cryptocurrency from financial institutions. What do you mean? Now the same thing where CBN do us for here, now China do. Say make banks no they agree, make people they do crypto, they cash out in their local yen. Now waiting China do, so that one bring the market down too.
Yeah.
Before that one, another matter on the ground. Elon Musk will be the 3rd richest person.
Yeah.
In their issue. You know, some people, different stories there. Some people say the man they manipulate market. In man they cash out.
One man just stand for a corner, just the
market
anyhow.
The man get billions of dollars. So he go just day, he go one small thing, he go tweet. Now so no be the man tweet Dogecoin. Dogecoin go from chickily money, go become
Almost $1
almost $1. Now him. So the same thing, now him say, now him carrying hand tweet Bitcoin. Say this thing no dey efficient for energy efficient. Before you know what thing they happen, Bitcoin also, you know, that one affect market still. So now where we did not be seeing a market crash.
Okay, so right now you don't explain every sentiment we happen for inside the market. But then I know say you in one way or the other you go don't hear this slogan. A lot of people they talk say no be financial advice. Some people they talk say na financial advice. Buy the deep, buy the deep. Some people. So at what point is buying the deep really, really efficient? At what point buying the deep no dey safe again? Say the market don't drop, price don't come down. At what point, if you say the entry point, you say they're very safe for new investors?
Waiting, I want to tell you now, they very important.
Very true.
For newbies,
Okay.
people who know sabi this market.
Okay.
Buy the deep na slogan. At the same time, how I go take put them? It is very important for market in the sense that market they new every day.
Very
Things
true.
they change.
Very true.
Today, waiting you buy for ₦1, you fit come tomorrow, it go 30 kobo. And not be saying a reprice. The waiting happen be say the market sentiments don't push the price down. But in value, in real price, in Obonge price, will be ₦1.
Yeah.
So waiting go happen be say if you buy for 30 kobo, now you be buy the dip.
Yeah.
You don't go down buy them for where it fall reach. If you buy them from there, before you know what thing happen, if you take 1 month, if you take 2 months, if you take 3 months,
Okay.
if you take 1 week, if you take 2 days, it go from that place where you buy them
Okay.
to back to ₦1 or back to 70 kobo. You don't make money.
Okay.
Then you buy the dip. A classical example of buy the dip now, this period we market deep, we market go down. They get one talk where they call Matic. Even OKT, our coin,
Yeah.
OKB, all of them fall. It no reach 48 hours. Some of them do 50%.
Wow.
Some of them do 80%.
Okay.
So you, when you buy the deep,
Very true.
you go sit down. Before you know it, you don't chop 80%. And you know, say this money now in dollars.
Very true.
If you chop 80% of $200, don't be small money.
Yeah.
For we will do Naija so.
No, but, okay, so a lot of people don't look and say some investment instruments. Crypto now one of them. We get bonds, we get stocks market, we get ETFs, we get so many investment instruments. We get some agro-allied products. We say they get some platforms for investment. A lot of people they talk say they don't, some markets we don't stand the test of time, don't go through some market cycle. So market cycle where we see crypto they go through right now at this point in time. Shall you feel say this market cycle where we see the market crash at this point in time don't test the viability of crypto, and say you say crypto don't come to stay at this point in time, knowing fully well say they face their test right now.
My brother, anything where anybody tell you
Yeah.
concerning crypto, make you know one thing: crypto not the future. Whether China banamo, America banamo, CBN banamo, crypto not the future.
Okay.
So crypto is here to stay. It don't come tanda, nothing. Why I talk so? Simple. Internet where we they see so. Internet give us one thing. Internet help us. What we call it? Internet democratize information. That means the internet help everybody for this world. Give them access, make it fit sabi waiting they happen for every nation, waiting they happen for book. Some books where you want it, once you go internet, you go download them.
Very true.
That's number one. Number two, we say blockchain help democratize money. What I mean? The way internet make information there everywhere. Boku, everybody feel access. Even bike man feel press for him phone. He go know what they happen for China.
Very
he
true.
go read what Xi Jinping talk. He go read what Joe Biden talk. Now so, blockchain give us platform where they call cryptocurrency. Where as I did now, I fit they play the same game with my friend with the America they play. I fit they not only say they play, I fit they engage the same financial market, the same money market where him they play in for America.
In just one sentence, I understand you say it don't come the mainstream.
Yes.
Waiting be the word in one sentence where you get for new investors. Because time no dey our side.
For new investors,
Yes, please.
very critical. I beg, make them no put 1 naira inside cryptocurrency if they no get education.
You
if
don't
they
hear
no
am.
sabi, wetin they do.
You don't hear him as our Ogbonge guest, we sit down for here, Mr. Paul. He don't come out, tell you, say, make you no put 1 naira, 1 kobo inside waiting you no understand. Make sure say you seek the right knowledge before taking your hard-earned money to invest inside the world of crypto or anywhere, any investment instrument maybe say you want to put your money into. My name is Frank Fagbo, and if you catch me across all social media platforms at Fagbo Frank, maybe we continue the conversation on top business matter, on top everything where you need to understand about investment. Don't go anywhere. You know why? The Good Morning Naija show continue.